Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can use CTUD counter in Siemens PLC S7-200 up-down counter. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my Step 7 microwin software. And then here we will choose first input I0.0, for example, I0.0, I0.0, and next we will go to the counters section and choose this CTUD, and C0, for example, I will take, and here one contact I will give for CT down, counter down. I0.1 I will choose for counter down, and I0.2 I will choose for this one. I0.2 I will choose for reset to the counter, and an example I will give the 10 values at this counter, and here I will take the contact of C0, open contact of the C0, I will open one relay output coil Q0.0, and here one contact I will choose close contact of the C0, and output I will take Q0.1, and this program I will download to the PLC. But before downloading, I will make it power on of my PLC, and we have to be check the communication. Go to the communication sections, and here double click at the refresh system. Which PLC will be connected and you with your PC, that communication will be auto detect. In previous lectures already I explained about how we can make the communications. If you not understand about the communications, go my previous videos. After you can understand about how we can make the communications with the PLC to PC. So please wait for some seconds, because this is the taking the. Now our CPU 224 XP real 2.01 is connected, and click OK. And now we can download the program tool to the PLC. And click download. Our program is successfully downloaded to the PLC, and now we will make the monitoring mode. Now once I will give the signal at I0.2 to reset the counter. Now our counter is reset, and as I give the signal at I0.0, you can see that will be start increment 2, 3, 4, but 1 I will take it little up, because after you will see the status of your outputs. As it will be completed 10, after your output will be changed. Can see upside the values is now 10 equal is with 10, which is we make the present value, and that will be output is contact changed. But same as previous counter which I explained, that will be separate two counters we used. Up counter is separate and down counter is separate. But now in this counter you will be in one counter you can take the result. And as I give the signal at I0.1, after it will be start counting back, yani 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. But it will be goes into minus value, but it will be not change this contact because of some time. If you like, when using in the program at any conveyor, when your counts are collected 10, after 10 counts are completed, after your conveyor will be stopped. Counts are coming, but will be, this will be not open the motor. Motor will be not on. And as your counts will be start from up counting, means any sensor which is running for up counting or value is not completed 10, after this will be go back. See, -2, -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As 10 counts will be completed, your output will be change your contact. I hope guys you will be understand about this up and down counter, how we can use. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.